Okay, class, today we're going to think about doing our title for our story. And one of the things that can happen when we do a title for our story is that we can't fit the words on the way we want them to be fitted on the page. So it's a good idea to start out with a piece of scrap paper, or perhaps you might get your spiral notebook. Look at what is your title. Look on your plan on your computer or in your packet, wherever you made your plan. What's the title you decided on? Maybe check with an adult, make sure that it's spelled correctly, or if I've done it with you on the computer, then you know it's spelled correctly. And remember that each word is going to start with a capital letter. But look at what I've done here. Oh gosh, I'm starting to write where, and the E didn't fit. And then I got are they, and the question mark didn't fit. So I need to kind of plan it out a little bit better. This one I tried to write it up at the top, but look, it didn't fit there either. Okay, so I tried it another way, and this one came out looking like this. That's not too bad. That E was kind of getting a little bit close. I was a little bit worried about it, but it did kind of work out. And then I did try it this way. I kind of liked that one. And then I tried it this way. I kind of started to, we call that kind of like a stair step. So this one, they all started in a row. In this one, I kind of stair step them. And that works as long as your last word isn't super long, okay? I've got to make sure that they're going to fit. Again, you've got to do your plan. And then this was another one I was trying to decide my title. So I'm going to go ahead and go with that title, Where Are They? Before I get started, I've got to think. I want to make sure that my book opens the right way. So Mrs. Sharlock was very nice, and she went through each of your books, and she put in, you'll notice there's a piece sticking out. Leave that where it is, but that's your lines. That tells you that this is the front of the book. Okay, so there's just two pieces of paper there, and I'll explain that in a moment. But this, the important thing is that the lines are facing this way, and there's just a couple of pieces of paper. And now my book is this way. So this is the front of my book. Notice how the binding is on the left-hand side. My left hand makes the L for left. And this is the left-hand side of the book, okay? So the binding goes on the left. And then I'm going to begin making my cover look like this, okay? I will show you that in just a moment.